Hello my friends, my name is Dania. Today we will make a easy banana cake. 1 banana, eggs, 2 eggs, more, sugar, flour and softened butter. Break the 2 eggs into a blender bowl. Add the banana, vanilla and sugar and grind into smooth. You also can do this without blender. Just mix all liquid ingredients and add a smashed banana. Sift flour and baking powder as a baking bowl. Add the liquid mixture to the flour and mix it. Add the soft batter. Mix conveniently with a spatula. Grease a small baking pan with vegetable oil. Apply our parchment. Pour the dough into the pan and shake gently. Decorate with a tablespoon of sugar. Bake in 350 degrees of Fahrenheit 40 minutes. Check with a wooden skewer. No that spaces should remain on the skewer. Turn on the oven and wait 5 minutes before cooling down. Take out from pan and decorate. And let's get trying, my friends. Looking good. I like this wet texture and this is so extremely banana taste. I think it's good with lemon jam and some banana. I think we will make a good work today. I will make soon a opera cake and maybe I will make a video about this. Maybe I'll show this. But this cake is so good. See you soon my friend. Goodbye.